Good morning, student. Welcome back to your online biology class. Student, in the last previous classes, I am starting the explanation of the question answer of the chapter weather, climate, and adaptation in the animals. So let us start continuously the long question answer of this chapter. So all of you get ready to write down the question answer and take the pencil eraser for the mentioning the answer in the book, because long answer I am not write down to complete answer on the board. You will write down with the help of the book. Okay, so all of you get ready first of all and open the book. Exercise of chapter weather, climate, and adaptation. Okay, all of you open your book. Student, I am also going to take the book for the explanation of the question answer. Open the page number 110. Open the page 110. Class 7. Subject Science. Sub-subject Biology. Topic exercises. Long. Question answer of chapter 7. Okay. Student, question is first question. Name the factor on which the climate of a place depends. So you know the climate of the factor depends upon the various geographical factors. Okay. So only the mention the name of the geographical factor. Don't describe about that. Question number 1. You will write down in the book, from the book in your fair copy or the classwork copy, and I will write down the answer first. Okay. The factors on which, write down, on which the climate of a place depends are geographical factors. Geographical factors. Some geographical factors affecting the climate of climate at any place R. First, write down with the help of book. Distance from sea. Second, ocean current. The direction of prevailing winds. Third, PREVELLING prevailing wind. Fourth, mountains. Fifth, distance from the equator. El Nino effect. 6, El Nino effect. El Nino effect. And last, human activities. 7. Write down, student. Now student, get ready to mention the answer in the book. Question number 2. I am not going to write down this. Please sincere mention it in your book. I am going to erase this. Answer number 2. Question is, first of all, I am going to read the question. What do you mean by the term weather? How is weather forecasting done? First of all, define the weather. First of all, so open the page number 95. Page number 95. The short term atmospheric condition, the second paragraph. The short term till at the place. Now the second part of this question is depend upon page number 96. Open. Weather forecasting depend upon the data collection. Weather forecasting, the first paragraph, page number 96. Weather forecast is from weather forecast is to ETC only. So there are two part of this in this question. Okay, student. Now, all of you mentioned it in your book with the help of pencil. After that, you will write down in the free time at your home. Now, I am going to read the question number 3. Question number 3 is, at what time of the day or night the temperature of any place, maximum and minimum. Okay. So open the page number 97. Answer number 3rd. Page number 97. There are 2 points are given. The maximum temperature of the day is usually recorded in the afternoon. The minimum temperature, 2 dotted, red dotted. First, second, and mention above the 2 points the maximum and minimum temperature. The maximum and minimum temperature to thermometer. METER. Okay. So mention in your book 2 points, maximum, minimum, and the above the 3 and 3 line. The maximum and minimum temperature are measured with the help of a special type of thermometer commonly called the maximum and minimum thermometer. Okay. Now I am going to read the 4th question. What is the difference between the weather and climate? So, open the page number 100. Answer 4. Page number 100. Difference between weather and climate. Write down both. Difference between weather and climate. Difference between weather and climate. Write down weather and climate. Okay, student, write down this. mention in your book. Now question, describe the adaptation in penguin to the polar region. Penguin to the polar region. So all of you open the page number 105. Answer number 5. Page number 105. Heading adaptation in penguins. Okay, adaptation in penguins. Page number 105. Capital P. Penguins. Heading. Okay, so you will start from adaptation to penguin to 1, 2, 3, 4 points. 4 points. Page number 105. The heading, green heading, adaptation in penguins. White feather on the belly, thick layer of fat under the skin, streamlined body, webbed feet and plated flipper-like wings. And fourth, penguins live in groups or remains huddled together. Mention it, student. I hope they know problems to mention the answer in the book. I am also giving the clue. Okay. Take the odd one out. Section D of this chapter. D. Take the odd one out with giving reason. Giving reason. Student, I am always saying you that one answer is not the universal answer. So many are the features are found for the giving reason. Okay, student. So write down in the classwork copy. Student, I am going to read this. Weather, temperature, rainfall, humidity, average monthly temperature. So weather, temperature, rainfall, humidity are these are the elements of the weather. Whereas average monthly are where temperature are the another things. Data collection. So all of you and write down the answer one. AVE average, AVERAGE average monthly temperature, MONTH PERATURE. Reason, write down. Others are the elements of weather. Others are Really elements of weather. All of you write down question, then write down answer. I am not write down the question. Only write down only answer. Weather balloons, satellite photograph of cloud, weather forecast and climate. So, student, weather balloon, satellite, cloud, forecast are the data collection for the giving the forecast of the weather. But climate is another thing. So, climate. Answer 2 is climate. What is the reason behind this? Others are connected with weather forecasting. Question number 3rd, answer number 3rd. Rajasthan, hot and dry climate, coastal area. Rajasthan is a very hottest place. Hot and dry related to that. Climate are the same thing. Means the average weather report of the particular place. Coastal area is the another thing which is situated on the near the sea. So write down the R1 out is coastal, COAS, coastal area. Coastal area. Okay. Others are related to desert climate. Fourth, question number 4th. Moderate climate, coastal area, polar region, tropical climate. Moderate climate, coastal area, polar region and tropical climate. You know student, moderate climate, coastal area, polar region. So tropical climate, coastal area and moderate climate are related to our country, where the polar region is not the part of our country. This is the north and south pole, situated in the north and south poles. So, polar region, POLAR REGION. This is the odd one out. Polar region. Others are related to the climate of country, our country. Question number 5th, answer. Wide and large paws for temporary adaptation. Polar bear, white thick fur. Pause, wide and large pause, polar bear, white. This is the related to the polar bear, but temporary adaptation. This is not temporary adaptation. So temporary adaptation are come only for few times, few days, but the three are the permanent adaptation. So odd one out is TEM PO RARY, temporary adaptation. Temporary adaptation. Others are permanent adaptation of polar bear. Right, student? And rest question, student, rest of question of this chapter you are all solve with the help of book, because all are given the defined terms. What is the element of weather? What is weather forecasting? Okay, and the rest exercise summative, formative means the MCQs and multiple choice question and the true false filling the blanks are given in book, and also given the answer behind your book, back side of. So open the back side of the book, chapter number 7, and find the answer very carefully, and fill it with the help of the pencil in your book. Okay, student? I will revise this once again, but all of you know, student, only 2 periods are in your a week. So because your half yearly examination is already declared, so all of you do this with the help of your book. Okay, so write down the homework. Write down today's exercises of chapter 7 in your year and learn it. Write down, student. Now I am going to leave your class. Your class is over. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. Write down all of the homework in your diary.